Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the bot with it bot father. Name it and choose a username, then immediately copy the API token. Once done, pick where the bot will run your laptop for quick tests or a VPS for reliability, and set up an SSH or cloud account. Make sure to store the token securely and install Node.js or Python on the host. You should also enable a webhook or plan to use long polling depending on your deployment choice. Now implement the bot logic with a reliable SDK and structure handlers for /start, commands, callbacks, and inline queries. You'll wire the API token into the library, then build small functions for each user flow and test them locally. Once handlers work, connect a database for session or user data, and implement error handling with retries and exponential backoff. Make sure to log meaningful errors and validate inputs to prevent crashes and to keep the user experience smooth. Finish by deploying the bot and configuring webhooks with a valid SSL certificate or using a secure tunnel for development. You should rotate and secure the token, restrict admin-only commands, and enable rate limits to prevent abuse. Monitor logs and add health checks so you can restart services if needed. If messages stop arriving, first verify token and webhook status, then check logs for errors and connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.